Hello and welcome, I'm Maginpanic, and today we're gonna watch What is Worlds. Many of you know everything, and I see that in my comment section you're giving me so much input into that, but let me educate myself a little. And as well, there is a lot of cool animation around in this video, so let's just watch it. So all the characters like, oh my god, no please. Again! Let me check it out. Very fast, not many frames are on the screen. But it sells the idea of what actually happened there. Lovely. It's very quick, very quick.
What were you doing in there?
Huh? Oh, I'm training for Worlds.
What's World?
That's true. Alright.
Listen up, and I'll tell you.
You're still
I'm listening. You're still on fire.
At Worlds, the best league of
Nice transition.
from around the globe come together to fight for the ultimate glory.
Yep.
To become legends! And the pride of the country. Every year, millions of people tune in to watch. It's the conclusion to a year of intense competitions between the best League of Legends teams in the world. Oh, and sometimes giant dragons.
Oh yeah. I see that dude from Poland. Hello, where are you? It's good to have you.
It's one of the greatest competitive moments in all of sports. So that's Worlds. Don't miss it.
Okay. Well, I like it. A little bit of explanation, and to not make this video 2 minutes long, let's watch the next one. So there will be two in this. That might be slightly better.
Here's the problem. You want to watch Worlds, but you have no idea what this is.
Okay, so that's a little deeper explanation of what actually happened in the game. That's a good input for me.
Championship between the best pro teams in the world. These teams face each other during a month-long tournament. The two winners of that tournament.
Month-long? I didn't know that.
That's the one most people watch.
I like that 3D animation here. That's wonderful.
Teams are made up of 5 players, each playing a unique champion. Matches take place on the game.
I like those limited animation here and how things are disappearing. That's smooth. Turning into little triangles. Nice one.
Summoners Rift.
Yo, I want to check how this arm goes up. The shoulder first, and then the finger. That's short. That's hard perspective to animate. That frame is weird, but it's so hard to animate it. You can see like it's losing the volume. But it looks okay in motion. I like that little tiny bit with this part that's waving after. And that's cool how it's 2D and 3D blend together.
And bot, with a jungle area in between each.
Jungle!
Only one player will go top.
That's why players are called junglers. Oh my god. Am I right?
1 mid and 2 bot.
They just play in the jungle.
Player roams all over the rift, jumping in wherever teammates need help. From there, it's pretty simple. The goal as a team is to protect your towers while destroying the enemy's towers. Get to their base, blow it up, and win the game. It's easy.
That's right.
Or is it?
That's what I know.
Because the game moves so quickly, comebacks can happen at almost any time. If you ever get lost, you can usually tell who's winning based on a few things.
What?
First,
What?
number of kills.
Kills,
give a lot of
okay.
which is important.
KDA.
Gold lets them buy items to make their champion stronger. More kills means more gold, means more items, means more kills, means more gold, means more items. You get the idea. Second, towers destroyed. Towers not only give gold, they also protect each team.
Okay, I would love to watch a little more
further ahead.
animations, but
Towers do protect
it's just an
magic
explanation
golds.
video. I get it. I get it.
Like
I'm listening, paying attention.
lastly, monsters.
Lovely.
Lastly,
Can I get this hand animation again? I have nothing to tell.
the rift has a bunch
Just
of monsters.
well
Most
done.
important are the dragons and the Baron. He's sort of this really strong, really mean tentacle thing. The Baron requires teamwork to kill it, but in doing so, it rewards with special bonuses. And, you guessed it, even more gold. That's kind of a lot. Check out the overall team gold if you're ever lost. Higher gold means stronger champions, which usually means a team is further ahead. So, there you have it. Now hopefully this...
Nice body rotation. I like how it's how the characters was in the front.
Just try to have some fun watching your favorite team take over the game. Because at Worlds,
Play it.
taking over is the ultimate goal.
Taking over, and that was the introduction for the takeover video. Just a short 2 videos just with explanation and pretty much nothing else. I like how those 2D and 3D blends together to make a little explanation video, actually. Just a limited thing with those animation, and I appreciate that. I get a little bit more knowledge, and that's what I appreciate a little more. I've never played League of Legends. Maybe one day I'll at least try. That game seems so hard to play. So, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next videos. I have a couple of them around, so there should be a lot of work for me to do. Maybe it will be fun. We'll see. Well, it will be fun for sure. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.